So you have decided to change the Windows 10 boot screen and place your custom image on that. You have come to the right place. Let me quickly show you how it can be done. So open your browser and search for Hack BGRT Windows 10. So Hack BGRT is a Windows boot logo changer for UEFI system, using which you can easily change your Windows 10 boot screen. Okay, as you can see, the current version is 1.5.1, and let's quickly go through the README file as well. So there in the users section you see something marked as important, and it says if you mess up the installation, your system may become unbootable, and that is a red flag, guys. Create a rescue disk before use it at your own risk. And the second part is most interesting, which is make sure that your computer is booting with UEFI, as I was telling earlier. And the second one, make sure that secure boot is disabled. Alright, so let's quickly see how you can disable secure boot and if your computer is booting with UEFI. So you have to go to your computer's BIOS screen. If you are using a Dell laptop, F12 is the key, or figure it out during boot up. It basically shows it in the screen which key to press to get to the BIOS. So in this case, I'm going to show you for Dell XPS 15 9560 model. As you can see, I am already in the BIOS section, and there under General tab there is something called boot sequence, and you can see boot list option is set as UEFI. That is what is prerequisite number 1. Then let's quickly go to the secure boot part, which you can find in the left hand side again. So in the secure boot enable part, you see it is already disabled for my system. So I'm pretty much good to go. So I'll download this Hack BGRT zip file. Once the download is complete, I will extract the files. In this case, I'm putting it on the desktop. Double click to open the folder, and there it will be having a setup.exe file. Right click on it and run as administrator. This should open a command prompt like window, and it will say choose action. Basically, if you want to install it, you just have to press I. If you don't want to go ahead, press C. But the good thing, even before that, if you see the first 3-4 lines, it actually tells me EFI system partition location is A, which is a good sign, because that means my boot is already UEFI mode enabled. And second is secure boot is disabled. So in my case, I am all set. So I'll just go ahead and press I. The moment I do that, it will open a notepad with lot of configuration values in it. And I would recommend, if you are not dual booting the system, then leave it as is, just close the notepad. Don't change any value. You can of course see what each of these values do at a later stage, but right now our primary objective is to just change the image to something that we want, right? So in this case, we don't have to change much. Simply click the close button. As soon as you close the notepad, you will see draw or copy your preferred image to, and then it will give a location which ends with splash.bmp, and it will in fact open the splash.bmp file in Paint. All we have to do is replace this particular image with something that we already want. Now I will quickly go to this website called remove.bg. Provide it my image and upload it to the site. What it does is it removes the background completely, and it will just give me my image. So I'll just download it. Open it with Paint. So now that the image is opened with Paint, I'm going to set the background to black, because remember, when Windows boots in, the screen is actually black. So my objective here is to make it seamless. Basically, the image will integrate right into the boot screen's black background. So that is why I am marking the background as black. Once that is done, I will simply select the image, entire image. You can press Ctrl A to select the image and copy it. Now we are pretty much done here. Now go back to the splash.bmp, select everything and just delete it. Press the delete key, and now you can paste the actual image. So this is my new image that is going to be splash.bmp. So when I reboot my computer, I should be able to see this particular image instead of the Windows default image. Once you close the MS Paint window, it will simply say press any key to quit. Press Q and it should close the window. So I'm pretty much done here. What I'll do next is reboot the machine. And now you can see the image. Instead of the Windows 10 image, it is coming the image that I have selected, and the background is also black, so it is pretty seamless. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, you change the boot image of a Windows 10 machine that is running in UEFI mode and secure boot disabled. So thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.